everybody? I'm here today to show you how to open an Otterbox case to remove the phone. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is my phone inside of an Otterbox case. Now, my Otterbox case has seen its fair share of better days. It's sort of missing a few little plastic parts all around, but it still does the job. The phone is in mint condition underneath. So the Otterbox case does a fantastic job at protecting the phone because it is comprised of two pieces. It has a two-piece design. So let's see how we remove it. First and foremost, you have this little plastic shell or whatever it's made of, whatever material this is, the hard outer shell. So you want to remove this shell. Okay, so I'll show you what to do. You're going to go where it connects with the phone and you want to sort of pop your finger under there. As you can see right there, once you get one side out, it sort of comes off really easily, just like that. So we have our hard shell right over here. Okay, and now you can see right here we have our softer shell. Now the softer shell goes under the hard shell and also beside the hard shell. It has different levels, as you can see. You know, you have a thinner side and then you have a thicker part on the side. It protects everything that it needs to protect. It really does a fantastic job. To remove this part of the case, what we want to do, it's a soft shell, so you just sort of get your finger and pull it off. So I'm just digging my finger underneath and pulling it off. Now, as you can see, my phone is actually really thin. The Otterbox makes it really thick, but it protects it. The phone, I've had this phone for many years. It is in absolute mint condition. It does a fantastic job at protecting it, okay? If you want to put the case back on, just as an added bonus, because if you're taking it off, you might want to put it back on, okay? We're really shortly into the video right now. We're going to take our phone, we're going to sort of put it upwards like that, so we're bringing the top of the phone in, and then I'm bringing the sides and the bottoms around. The bottom corners I sort of pushed around. Okay, make sure that that little soft piece is snugly in place. Now we're going to take this and we're going to sort of do like the opposite of what I did. So I'm going to once again start with the top. Okay, I'm going to push the top in place, as you can see right here, and the top lines up in this indent right over here. So I'm going to push the top in place, and then I'm going to get the sides. Now that the top is lined up in place, I'm going to get the sides, push them in place. So one side goes in, okay, the other side goes in, and then the bottom clicks in place. As you can see, what I like to do is just sort of go like this to make sure that the case is not going to like come off. I just sort of push on all the edges, make sure that the case isn't going to come off. And that's it. That is essentially how to open an Otterbox case and remove the phone. But also, as an added bonus, I showed you how to put it back on. In case you want to clean your phone and put it back on, or in case you're selling the phone without the case, whatever the case is, no pun intended. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.